Dang, new wheels.
Woo-hoo. See, wanna see it? Wanna see it? Ooh. Wow.
But Dad,
Wow.
you also have those wheels.
I do have those wheels. What are you
Which
trying
one
to
are
say?
you gonna do?
Well.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Mark and Vanessa, and we are in the Rooted garage. Woohoo! We have a lot of gear that we just recently got for the BRZ. Yeah, so we got the N-Key wheels already wrapped in Continental Extreme Contact Sports. And then we also have the Kansai wheels.
I think this gray is gonna really match the Rally Innovations decal that we currently have. We just added that on, and I think it's gonna look super sick. It's gonna really tie the whole look together. Another thing that I really like about these wheels over the N-Keys is that I personally like the 5-spoke. I think it looks really good. And again, like I haven't seen like this specific one at least on my car, so I just want something different, you know? Sometimes you gotta try on different shoes, you know? But yeah, super excited. Hopefully we can get the tires soon. So can't install these just yet, but I just wanted to share with you all that this is to come. Look at the mark, so excited. So basically the reason why we have both wheels is that these are gonna be my track wheels and tires. And we haven't exactly gotten the tires just yet for the Kansai, but these are gonna be the show wheels and tires. And we're really excited. We just gotta make sure that they fit because these are definitely more aggressive than the stock wheels. And we're also going to be installing the lower control arms. And as you can see up close, they're green, my favorite color. If you didn't already know that, we're gonna install that and more green. We also got this Billetworkz short shifter, so pretty excited because we've been wanting to do this, and it's just gonna be a mission. It's not gonna be that hard, but it's gonna be a mission to put this on. And also another little thing that we got are these Etsy personalized shift boots. But yeah, so pretty excited. What do you think, Mark?
Super excited. Can't wait to get these wheels and tires on. That way we can, you know, work everything else in, like the Kansais, and just interchange whenever we need to. But super excited. It's going to be super fun. Let's get this started. Alrighty guys, so before we go ahead and get these wheels mounted up, we do gotta raise the vehicle just a tad. As you guys can see, our riactionusa coilover sleeves, we gotta remove those. We have not rolled our fenders yet. New tire, old tire. Look at that.
Look at that.
Size does matter, doesn't it? Well, science says that this size provides more grip than that.
Science.
What does it read? 8 inches? 8 inches wide?
Let's see. Ooh.
Like nine and a half.
9.5 at least.
100% 9.5. Can you guys see that okay? Yeah. Ooh, dang, she thick.
She thick. Alright guys, so we got now the rear coilovers out. We're just making sure that we adjust it. We want to make sure all of them are the same, so we're going to have it at about 2.5 inches. So we're going to adjust this and then place it back into the rear. What is up, you guys? So during the week we just got our new tires to fit into the new wheels, my show wheels, so I'm really excited. We're just gonna load this up into the car, get them fitted, and I can't wait until we install them into my BRZ.
Turns out that the front wheels fit well, but despite racing the car, we still had some rubbing on high-speed bumps. To fix this, we needed additional rear adjustable toe arms to get more camber out of the rear LCAs. We got Parts Shop Max rear adjustable toe arms. This allowed us to correct the toe after adding more negative camber to tuck the rear tires a bit better.
Alright you guys, we got the suspension all dialed in, got everything else installed, and made sure that there's no rubbing on the wheels and tires, and so cue the montage.
We had to stop the video earlier. It was getting super duper late and we had some struggles, but we were able to work it out and get the suspension components installed on our BRZ and just get our short shifter installed for Vanessa's BRZ. And yeah, here we go. I know, YouTube videos, they always make it look so much easier, huh?
They do, as
Tutorial
we're making a
videos.
YouTube video.
How ironic.
How ironic. Let me get this one up. There you go.
There you go. Nice.
Nice.
Vanessa, are you excited?
Yeah, I've been wanting this to be installed.
You are keeping track of where all those nuts and bolts go, right?
They're in front of me, yes.
Alright, so quick update. We got most of the plastic trim off. We're finally freeing up the shifter on the BRZ.
Yes.
Vanessa is happy.
I'm happy.
And excited at the same time.
I did my nails yesterday. They look cute, but now I'm messing them up, but that's okay because I really wanted to get this done anyway, so best of both worlds, right?
Oh, nice.
Wow. Wow.
That's it, huh?
That's it.
Alright, to the table.
To the table.
So here's kind of the differences. I have the balls matched up right there. This one's kind of longer down here, but up top, it's definitely the Billetworkz is shorter than the stock. So that might be the main difference as far as helping it get you a shorter throw.
Last night we finished installing the short shifter, but since we took apart these pieces, we were thinking, hey, why not wrap it? So I am a new wrapper, but might as well learn by doing something simple like this. We just went to Walmart last night and got this Cricut vinyl. It's not the exact color that I would like, but it's close enough. So thought it'd be kind of a fun thing to add to my little short shifter. And yeah, so let's get started.
That?
Oh, first one done?
Yeah.
Smooth.
What you think?
Looks cute. Looks good.
That just could have been a little bit better, but
could be a little cleaner. That's okay. That's okay. All right, so we tried to put vinyl in this plastic piece, but the vinyl that we bought did not bend and it just wasn't flexible enough. So we gave up on that. But we got this one done. It's something. It matches, you know. There you go. Matchy matchy. Close enough. At least we know how to take this piece apart if we do end up finding another vinyl that is more flexible. But we got my little shift boot on. Look how cute that is. It did also come with a brake boot, but that didn't fit right, and I think I liked it better just keeping it black anyways. So now we gotta put my shift knob back on. Broken nail again. That's okay. So hold on, I'm gonna put this. This is the last piece. I mean, it's not really like full-on car related or car part, but it's still, you know, an important piece of playing music in my car. So we got this going on right there. Just twist that a little bit more. So this, because the BRZ, at least for me, doesn't fully connect without connecting to a USB-C to do Android Auto. So I just plug that into there or just like have it off to the side. So let's do a little quick tour of my car. Have you seen these? Look at the cute little coasters. Look how cute these coasters are. So, you know, the outdoorsy. A little dusty, but that's okay. Show a little cute. Even though it doesn't just hold cups, it holds my hand sanitizer and my lotion. And then besides that, then like I just showed you guys, here's a little port to connect to my phone. Then I don't know if I ever showed this. I am blanking on the company name, but everyone uses them to get stickers, and I like mountains and adventurous stuff, so I got a like teal one, teal or mint, I can't remember, kind of close enough. And now it's fully complete a little bit with obviously my shift knob. It's green, got this cute little shift boot. It has like flowers, cute. And then little vinyl. Yes, I'm pretty excited. I feel like my car's not, I can't say it's not close to complete, but at least it has what it needs minimally, you know. So I'm ready to go out to the track and test it all out.